Why is Among Us so hard?
Science time.
Sounds of New York City, or Sony Sea, or Sunwise Sea. So help us address this is a lot. Pretty much there's sounds and they want us to address it because dangerous noise pollution. So pretty much, as you know, New York is a very loud city and like noise pollution is very bad, has effects on health, like sleeping, long-term effects like heart disease, hearing loss, obviously, can affect educational and just everything in general. So they're like, help us solve this problem. Alright, I show you an example of thing. They give you a 10-second audio clip and they're like, tell us what you hear. So this one is people talking. And they give you a whole list of things. So it's like car alarm, people talking, fault, mobile music, this. This had me laugh because I was like, what is a hoe ram? Pretty much it's just a construction vehicle. But sometimes you just get stuff that's just like kind of nothing. Data's looking good, but we are quite a ways away, so